Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mitsubishi Lancer Evo X versus Ferrari. We'll dive into the core differences between these two iconic vehicles. First, we'll look at their raw power and speed. Then, we'll consider how practical each car is for everyday use and their respective price points. Finally, we'll explore the unique driving sensations each offers. When it comes to sheer performance, Ferraris generally boast significantly more horsepower, often double or even triple that of an Evo X. This translates to much faster acceleration and higher top speeds for the Italian supercar. However, the Evo X, with its advanced all-wheel drive system, provides exceptional grip and agility, especially in challenging conditions, making it a formidable machine in its own right. Considering practicality, the Evo X shines as a four-door sedan, making it a much more versatile daily driver with space for passengers and cargo. Ferraris, typically two-seater sports cars, prioritize performance over everyday convenience. The cost difference is also substantial. An Evo X was priced around $35,000 new, while many Ferraris begin at over $200,000 with significantly higher maintenance expenses. The driving experience is where personal preference truly comes into play. The Evo X delivers a raw, connected, rally-bred feel, perfect for enthusiasts who love precise handling and turbocharged thrills. A Ferrari, on the other hand, offers an unparalleled blend of luxury, prestige, and blistering performance, a true supercar experience. Ultimately, the better car depends entirely on your needs, budget, and what you seek from a vehicle. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.